Wenzhou UVC Company Limited is a manufacturer with the capacity for research and development, engineering and manufacturing of CV joint and drive shaft, has more than 18 years of professional manufacturing experience. Since 2003, the company has started the production of CV joint and drive shaft. UVC has more than 200 employees, covering an area of 4,000 square meters. By upholding core values of excellent products, advanced technology, scientific management, service-oriented, plus the implementation of continuous improvement in management and technical innovations, UVC has grown into the most competitive enterprises in domestic and global automotive drive shaft industry. UVC has successfully brought in advanced equipment covering the entire manufacturing process from abroad. UVC has passed the TS16949 International Quality Management System. In 2019, it won Scientific and Technological Appraisal Certificate, High Strength and Durable Automobile Transmission Shaft, and listed on the Growth Board of Zhejiang Equity Exchange Center in 2020, won more than 50 national high-tech enterprises and national patents. UVC has developed more than 4,000 types of CV joints and drive shafts for a variety of domestic and foreign car makers. All the UVC staff is committed to provide the best product and service to the global OEM and aftermarket customers. UVC has cooperated with many well-known domestic and international car manufacturers and awarded Excellent Quality Award and Quality Breakthrough Award by Automobile Factory for many years. Meanwhile, UVC has also become a major supplier for many famous global automotive after-sales brands. The UVC brand is widely recognized in China, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and other markets. During these years, UVC has insisted on increasing the enterprise's core competitiveness and emphasizes in creating a more perfect constant velocity drive shaft as its mission. It is believed that the progressive and innovative UVC people will create UVC as the most competitive worldwide CV joint and drive shaft manufacturer.